Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I am going to show you how you can see your +1 or other viewers on your Facebook or Messenger story. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's tutorial. So in this video, we're going to simply discuss how you can see the other viewers on Facebook story. So as you can see, whenever you upload a story, you might be having these kind of options right at the bottom which says this many people viewed your story as it was shared to public people you're not friends on Facebook with saw it. So what this generally means is that if there is a warning called one other viewer, then that generally means that your story was actually set to public, and that is why the people who are not friends on your Facebook account actually viewed your story as well. So the thing about this is that there is actually no any fix about this, because Facebook doesn't allow the name of the people who have actually viewed your story and those who are actually not on your friends list. So for example, let me show you. If I go and open my Messenger application right over here, and then first of all I try to upload a story. Let's say I'm trying to upload a certain story over here. The only way to fix this is that you go to your privacy settings on the bottom left hand side of the screen. Once you go to privacy settings, you can see if you set your story to public, people who are not friends on your Facebook will also be able to see your story, and the number of people who are not friends on your account and are seeing your story are actually the number of people which you see if you see the option called this many viewers on your Facebook story. So if you set it to friends, only people who are friends on your Facebook account will actually be able to view your stories, so that way you will not see the option called see other viewers on Facebook story. So the thing about this is that you just have to get along with it, because that is just how Facebook operates and how Facebook works. Facebook does not allow any of the information to be leaked outside of its privacy. So we hope you liked this video, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.